Thanks for enrolling in the complete course of Autocad 2018. The prerequisites of this course are pretty straightforward. You need to have access to Autocad 2018 or any other version, preferably Autocad 2013 or later releases. If you don't have the software, you can download it for free with 3-year educational license from Autodesk student website. This course is taught using Windows 10 operating system, so you should also be familiar with the basic Windows operating system interface like Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows 10. The course is structured into different sections, and each section contains lesson videos focused on the topic of the section or module. At the end of each section, there is a video exercise with answer, and it is followed by quizzes related to the section. The lesson files containing drawings and resources used in the video are available for download with every lesson, and if you want to download all the lesson files at once, then download it from this video. The course contains video lectures with practical real-life examples from industrial drawings. And the video lessons are made to facilitate learners to follow along the video and practice the lessons on their own. New features of Autocad 2018 software are also included in the course, and they are mentioned in the respective video lesson. Now, if you ever feel stuck with the topic, or if you have any question related to any of the topic of this course, then let me know and I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. So let's get started with the first module.